Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can help you make money? It's no secret that AI is revolutionizing industries across the globe, from healthcare to finance and even entertainment. But its potential stretches far beyond the realm of innovation and efficiency. Yes, we're talking about the money-making magic of AI. Imagine a world where AI-powered tools could help you identify the perfect investment opportunities, create viral content, or even optimize your online store for maximum profit. Well, that world is here and now. Many individuals and businesses are already harnessing the power of AI to drive revenue and success. From stock trading to digital advertising, content creation to customer service, AI is not just a tool for the future, but a powerful ally in today's digital age. This is an era of unlimited opportunities where artificial intelligence is the key to unlocking your financial success. So let's delve into the 10 ways AI can help you make money. Firstly, AI can predict stock market trends. Imagine a world where you have a crystal ball that can see into the financial future. That's essentially what artificial intelligence offers in the realm of stock trading. AI uses complex algorithms to analyze historical data, understand market trends, and make predictions about future performance. These aren't just wild guesses, mind you. They're statistically driven forecasts based on a wealth of data that no human could possibly process. And here's where it gets interesting. These predictions can lead to substantial profits. If you know which stocks are likely to soar or plummet before anyone else, you've got a major advantage. Of course, like anything in life, there's no guarantee of success. The stock market is unpredictable, and even the most advanced AI can't always get it right. But with the right AI tool at your disposal, you're definitely stacking the odds in your favor. So, with the right AI tool, you could make substantial profits from stock trading. Secondly, AI can optimize your e-commerce business. By automating mundane tasks, AI frees up time for your team to focus on strategic initiatives. It can also analyze customer behavior, sifting through mountains of data to identify patterns and trends. This insight allows you to tailor the shopping experience to each customer, which can boost sales. Personalization is key in today's competitive market, and AI makes it possible on a grand scale. With AI, you could take your e-commerce business to the next level. Thirdly, AI can create content for you. In the fast-paced digital world, engaging content is key, but crafting it can be time-consuming. Enter AI. It can generate articles, blog posts, even social media updates. It can learn your style, your tone, and even your audience's preferences. It's like having a dedicated writer, but without the coffee breaks. This not only saves you time, but also money. No more late-night writing sessions or last-minute content scrambles. Imagine having your own AI content writer. Fourthly, AI can optimize your digital advertising campaigns. Imagine the power of a machine that can sift through vast amounts of data, learning and adapting to target your ads precisely. It understands your audience's behavior, their likes, dislikes, and online habits. This allows for more personalized and effective advertising, which significantly improves conversion rates. The beauty of AI is its continuous learning and improving, making your campaigns more valuable over time. With AI, your ad spend could yield much higher returns. Fifthly, AI can improve your customer service. Picture this, a chatbot that's on duty round the clock, ready to answer client queries at any hour. These AI-powered assistants can provide instant responses, ensuring your customers feel valued and heard. They're also adept at handling multiple queries simultaneously, leading to efficient and effective customer service. This not only increases customer satisfaction, but also boosts sales. So, don't be surprised if the future of customer support has a chatbot at its helm. A chatbot could be your next best customer service agent. Sixthly, AI can analyze large amounts of data for you. Imagine sifting through a mountain of raw data looking for meaningful patterns. It's time-consuming and prone to errors, isn't it? This is where AI shines. It can process and interpret data at lightning speed, with a level of accuracy that surpasses human capability. This leads to better business decisions, as AI can identify trends and make predictions that humans might miss. Harness the power of AI in data analysis and make informed decisions. Seventhly, AI can help in software development. Picture this. Rather than spending countless hours on manual coding, testing, and debugging, artificial intelligence can automate these processes. It's not about replacing humans, but empowering them to work smarter. AI can identify patterns and learn from past mistakes, making it a powerful tool for enhancing the software development process. This not only saves time, but significantly reduces costs. So the future of software development isn't just human, it's human plus AI. Imagine developing software faster and cheaper with AI. Eighthly, AI can enhance your cybersecurity. Imagine a digital guardian, tirelessly watching over your business, able to spot and neutralize threats in the blink of an eye. This is the power of AI in cybersecurity. It can detect and respond to cyber threats faster and more accurately than any human ever could, protecting your business and its valuable assets. From identifying patterns in massive data sets to predicting future attacks, AI is transforming the cybersecurity landscape. Secure your business with AI. Ninthly, AI can streamline your recruitment process. Imagine a world where the tedious task of screening hundreds of resumes is managed efficiently by an intelligent system. AI can automate this process, accurately selecting top-quality candidates based on predefined criteria, reducing human bias. It doesn't stop at screening. AI can also conduct initial interviews, gauging candidates' responses and competency. This not only saves precious time, but also significantly enhances the quality of your hires. Hire the best talent faster with AI. Lastly, AI can manage your social media platforms. It's like having your very own digital marketing manager working around the clock. AI tools can schedule posts at optimal times, ensuring your content reaches the maximum number of viewers. Beyond that, they can analyze engagement, providing insights into what works and what doesn't. And with these insights, AI can optimize future content, making it more appealing to your audience. The result? A significant improvement in your social media presence and brand awareness. Boost your social media game with AI. There you have it, 10 ways AI can help you make money. From the financial markets high-stakes world, where AI can optimize stock trading, to the bustling digital marketplace of e-commerce, AI is revolutionizing how we do business. It's creating content, streamlining advertising, and enhancing customer service. In the realm of data analysis, AI is helping us make sense of vast information oceans, while in software development, it's automating tasks and enhancing efficiency. Cybersecurity, a critical concern in our digital age, is being fortified by AI's advanced threat detection capabilities. The recruitment sector is being revolutionized, with AI helping to find the perfect candidates. And of course, in the ever-evolving landscape of social media management, AI is there, helping to engage audiences and optimize content distribution. Each of these areas holds immense potential for income generation. All it takes is a bit of innovation, an open mind, and a willingness to embrace AI. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace AI and unlock new avenues for income generation.